Good afternoon, student. This is the chapter number 3 of Mathematical Part 2, Standard 10, and that chapter is Circle. Third chapter. A circle is a simple definition. A circle is defined as the locus of a point which moves in plane such its distance from a fixed point in that plane is always constant. Locus means is the path of a point. Is path of a point. Suppose 1 point, 2 point, 3 point, infinite points. It makes in a straight line. It's called path of a point as a locus, and which moves in a plane such as its distance. These points are moved in a fixed distance. That fixed distance is the radius of a circle, and that fixed point is the center of a circle. This is the simple definition of a circle. In first figure, in second figure, there is a complete circle. Path of a point in a fixed point, fixed distance is called a circle. And in third diagram, the circles passing through 1, 2, 3 points. This is the tree. I draw this diagram with the help of this geometrical pencil. This is the larger circle. Again, this is the smaller circle, and last it is the again a smaller circle. These circles are touched to each other in a point A. This is the 1 point circle passing through the 1 point, and then 2 points. This center P is the center of a capital circle. Center Q is the center of a point P is the center of a capital circle. Point P is the center of a middle circle, and point R is the point of a smaller circle. Then this circle touch to each other at point A. These two circles touch to each other. This is point A, and suppose here is point M. Means 2 point touching point is 2. Again, in a smaller circle, touching point, a common point of 3 circles is A. Another is suppose N, and this is N and M. These are the 3 points. Suppose M, N and O, or any one point in a circle, in a plane. In second point, the circle touching each other. A circle touching each other. The circle touching in each other. Suppose this is a circle. It is larger and smaller circle touch to each other in a one point. That point is called, these two circles touch to each other externally, and this is the center of a circle, and the center and the touching point is in a straight line. Suppose this is the center of a circle, point is P, and center of a circle, this point is Q, and then this point A, PAQ is the collinear point, and distance between two centers of a circle is PQ is equal to PA plus AQ, and this is called circle touch to each other externally. And then another figure is there. This is the larger circle, and another is a smaller circle touch to each other internally. This circle, the touching point is A, and larger circle is center is P, and a smaller circle is center is suppose Q, and this PQA again a straight point, a linear point, and distance between center of a circle is PQ is equal to PA minus QA. Subtraction of these two, and these circles is called, these circles touch to each other internally. Internally touching, externally touching. And suppose in another figure, these two circles are touched to each other in two distinct points. That point is P and Q. This is the circle touched to each other in a two distinct point. This is the center of a larger circle, this point, and this is Q point, and this is the touching point P and Q. Means these are the circles touching each other. Circles touching each other in different stage, externally, internally, and 2 point, distinct 2 point. In another figure, these circles are not touched to each other, they are separated. In another position of a circle, suppose this is a circle, this is a circle, this is a center of a circle, and then again circle is there, same circle is there, another circle is there, and in this figure the center of a circle is same, center is same, center is same center, radii are different, same circle. Means I show to here that circle touching to each other externally, internally, in distance point. This is the distance point in 2 points and same center. These are the many types of a circle. Okay, thank you.